back with another video. We got Maddox right here and Elon. You didn't see Max's face, there he is. So we're going on a bridge.
It's
right?
Gonna be, oh, I'm so
it's
scared.
big and we might fall because it's really old.
This is our
super
second
duper
time
old.
being on the
This is my third time, but Elon's second and Maddox's third. So
The river's so big, y'all.
we're in the river too. We're about to stop on this big old bridge.
Let me say something.
Maddox,
It's so big. Like this thing is so old. I remember this from maybe when I was 7. So I still remember this bridge.
me, uh-oh. Ding, 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 ding.
There's the boys. There's the boys. Who are going against?
We're doing a competition against them to see if we can find some clowns or something. So we'll see if we can find anything, like people. See if we see them come around with the journey. Oh, there's something.
There's something.
Mount Fuji.
Why am I so scared? So?
Okay.
We're at the lake. I'm about to go like this.
Okay. It's wobbling right here. Hopefully we don't fall.
I'm crawling because I'm so scared.
He's scared. And we gotta be really careful because look at this.
Look at how deep that is.
Beautiful view.
Look at the scale. Look at Travis.
And we
Y'all look at Travis crawling.
and look. No. And
Bridge.
this is a big bridge. What?
No, let me hold it. I forgot what it's going to say.
And there's a beautiful. We already found 2 stuff.
Chase.
Oh, we found another one.
And right here.
That's 3, 4.
And right here.
We have 5,
And right here.
6.
Right
We
there.
found 6, 7. 7 stuff.
8.
We found 8 clues and 9 right there. Beautiful.
The sooner we get off this bridge.
And 10.
11. 12.
We're finding a lot of stuff at this lake.
Whoa, what's happening? 17.
We'll continue this journey when we go. So, come this journey with us.
This will be funny if we phone calls.
You're going down there to get
You just strap that on something so
Peace.
it doesn't fall.
And so, we've been doing some random stuff at daycare, but we just ate. Okay, we're moving, y'all. Saying goodbye to the first lake.
Hey, Dylan!
Everybody's jumping.
Dylan! Did you see Travis? He's going.
Look at this. We're trying to look for clues right now.
Hey, I found some.
Okay, there's some 11. Oh, that's really clueable.
Hey!
That's the CP, Charles B. Found more. Let's go 15. 16. Okay. We're running. Oh!
I'm really good at finding clues, so we'll find like 21.
because we find like writings. Another clue, another clue. Right here. Zoom into it. That red thing right there. We're getting a picture. I'll film me smiling with Maddox. Okay, our teachers are trying to get us attention. Oh, I'm saying cheese. I'm saying cheese.
Saying cheese. We're taking a picture.
Cheese.
Our teacher's trying to get us attention, so see you in like 10 minutes.
We're done. Now find clues. Look at this. A clue. Word. We're trying to. We're finding stuff. Clue.
Right there.
And I'm doing clue.
Hey, y'all line up behind me, Lexi, right now.
Okay. People, we got like 15 clues already.
No, that's more than 15.
No, we got 15 clues.
Clue.
Where?
See all those leaves?
That ain't no clue, Maddox. It's not no clue. Clues with blood.
I was just kind of tricky.
Yeah, we got that. We got the right thing.
Found another one.
Found another one.
My feet hurt.
Scraped off.
How many minutes?
So, 7. And we are.
Are you putting this on YouTube?
And we're just gonna continue finding clues. Clue. And
This is crazy.
crazy.
Let's go try this way.
Oh, it's people.
Clue. See, right down there.
Yeah.
Well, we just found another clue,
we
but
keep on finding them, but we can't go over there.
Let me say something. We found another clue, but we can't go there because our teacher told us not to. So we'll show you when we get that way.
We got every bit of it. We got like 15. We got like 15 clues.
Hey, Taylor, we found another clue. Wait on
Yeah. And we are getting ready to move. Aren't we, Maddox?
Here's the guys we're going against.
And
We're not going against our team.
and we're filming.
So we're about to find more blood stains if we can find them.
Clue.
Where? Oh my gosh, Jace.
Staples.
Hold it.
Staple. Clue.
Staples. I see staples.
I got the clue. We
Look, clues. Holes.
got holes, clues, everything at this weird place. So
Our teacher
is what clue? No, they know.
We haven't even gotten through the trail yet.
They're talking to the other people. They're not talking to us.
I'm not
No.
You know what? I'm going to start videoing you. If you're acting bad, I'm going to send it to your mama. I'm going to send it to your daddy. I'm going to send it to whoever, and they can deal with you. You know how many parents have talked to me about what to do if y'all start acting bad? A lot.
So, we're getting near to go, but they're still talking to us.
You understand me? There's other people here. Do y'all want to look embarrassing to other people?
Honestly, y'all should be quiet. That's what you do when you
I
walk on the
do.
trail like this, is be
Seriously.
quiet. Y'all
You're
need
supposed to walk and be quiet.
That's what we're doing. From now on, this entire trail, if you want to talk to somebody, you're going to whisper. If I hear you talking, we're going back. First person. I'm not even
Like seriously, we take y'all out here to have fun and just get out of the daycare. And if y'all act like this, we can't keep doing that. You understand me?
Y'all need to listen. Y'all are being disrespectful, not listening to me. It's making me mad. I don't like being disrespectful.
Me either. It's supposed to be a fun field trip. I'm not trying to be mean, but y'all are making me be mean. Don't touch any more.
Down the trail, we're gonna act like we're hunting.
Don't matter what I
Chase, when we go down the trail, let's act like we're hunting. Okay.
Seriously, I can't even get y'all to be quiet. I have to have help. That should not. No. Y'all no. Y'all know better than that. Carter, put it down.
We're getting.
Tristan. I will be more than happy to take a group of y'all and sit at those picnic tables for 3 hours while these other kids have fun.
Tristan, y'all stop walking around. Sit down right
Like,
there.
seriously, guys, Jace P is one of the loudest kids I know, and he's acting way better than y'all. You go, Jace. I'm proud of you.
Jason, you videotaping really?
Yep.
Yeah, let's show me something. My phone and versus.
Okay.
Well, we have 2 teams. I'm in it. Boys versus girls.
We have 2 teams.
Alright, well, what I say, I just said y'all whisper. There's other people out here.
These other people that are walking the trails don't want to come out here and hear screaming.
43
It's hollering.
screaming kids.
I know y'all want to have fun. I want to have fun too, but to have fun, y'all don't have to sit there and scream and be
Look,
disrespectful.
y'all can have fun as long as y'all obey like mine does, because if y'all have fun, then we'll have fun. We can't have fun if y'all keep screaming and
Is
running
me
around
being
like
is
this.
me being mean fun?
Yes. No.
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 So don't make me be mean and I'll be fun.
Yes.
So,
Travis,
let's
y'all
try
watch
this
out.
again. Y'all get in a straight line.
How many videos do you have?
Okay. We're gonna keep moving when we get in the straight line, but everybody, we're in the straight line. Max, give me an highlighter.
Alright, y'all
On another highlighter.
Highlighter.
stop whispering.
Ewan thinks these are highlighters. Give it to me.
Anyone give it to me where you're
Group
not
right
getting
here. Hey. Y'all line up.
Dylan.
Alright, what are we doing?
Dylan.
Now later.
Let me get Maddox, can I please have him?
No. And
You said if I gave that to him, you give me one, but no.
tricked you. Give him one at it.
Hey, I need everybody in a straight line for real.
Jason, you video.
I'm in it.
You're in it. Am I in it?
No, you can. You want to be?
Hey, Lexi.
That's our
That's
teacher.
all the kids.
I'm seeing it like this.
Look at all them bad kids. I'm gonna look at all them bad kids.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
There she goes.
You can go zip line and go. Yeah, you can go zip line.
There goes our
I see
teacher.
some more, bud. A cord, you can go zip line.
We're going back up here.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. Travis, look at me. Go, 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 go.
I'm about to jump. I'm about to go again.
Alright, y'all get in the line. Dylan just
Doing. Oh,
Zip lining up.
that hurt my foot.
There's another hole.
Hey, look around.
Chipped off one.
Come on.
We're moving now.
Oh, and there's another thing.
Alright, Kids World. Travis. Bob. Go.
Get your guns out.
Okay.
Get your gun out.
Okay. boing. Boing. Oh wait. Oh, boom.
Look how big
Chloe. So we are trying to move, but everybody's doing bad stuff.
Abby, why are you touching the stick? I just gave y'all a lecture about the sticks. Did I not? Please leave the sticks.
So people are getting in trouble here.
Not us, don't worry. Yeah, not us.
We're nice. Awen got in trouble just a minute ago.
Yes.
But me and Maddox are good kids. And Awen, but. So, we are going to keep going on this trail. So,
Boys, let's go.
we are.
Swinging bridges.
Okay. So, we're going, walking to. There's another clue. There's clues. There's clues everywhere.
Red marks. We don't know what they are.
We found some red marks. No, we already had it. Be looking, Maddox. Run! We're running fast as we can.
Get it! They got it. They got that stain.
Yeah! We got it, boy.
I see one. I see it. It's down there. I see one. I see one.